Welcome to the semester, the fall one of your collaboration and assessment course. This is a blended course which will require us to meet in person and to meet online, well, to complete asynchronous work. I would like to provide an overview of what would be expected. I'm very much excited to work with you and delve deeper and unpack topics related to collaboration and assessment in the world of education. As we meet, you will hear that I will strive for us to be what's called R2D2. Although it is a way to remember what our expectations, it's an acronym that connotes that we should be reflective as we meet and in our online work. The second R is to connote to respect. D is to do be present, and the other D is to do be prepared for each class. We will very much highlight these during our first session together, but I would like to just provide some expectations of what I hope we can achieve. If you have an emergency, I know we have lives and personal matters. And if you do indeed need to miss a class, I do provide my cell phone number for you to text or call. What is also very helpful is to have another classmate as your work buddy or assignment buddy to help obtain missed handouts or notes for the respective class. I will be keeping and maintaining most of our information in a streamlined fashion on our Canvas. So I will show you that in a moment. Attendance and participation are vital to our learning, and I hope we can be participants and cultivate a learning community together. So we will be meeting on Tuesday evenings. The class room number will be forthcoming, but as of right now, I know we will be meeting from 6 o'clock to 8:30. Our main texts for this course are two, in my opinion, invaluable texts. Classroom Assessments for Students by Kathleen Spinelli. She is actually a professor at St. Joseph's University. And Better IEPs, the Bateman text that I will refer to. A wonderful go-to and reference as you learn about the framework and collaboration around generating IEPs. In spirit of our assignments, I'd like to just share with you your central assignments, which you will be completing during most of our class time. I like to do that so I can provide some coaching if needed and some guidance. And I also would like for you to enrich your colleagues' understanding in real life scenarios. So you will, earlier in the semester, you will see that you'll have a self-assessment, then an IEP review, which you'll be able to take a look at an already developed IEP and carefully analyze that IEP for what you see is correct and what needs improvement. Also, you will have your own opportunity to develop an IEP. another assignment, in good practice, I do provide a choice for you, and as a way to delve a little deeper into a topic that you would like to learn more about, to really just honor and respect you as an adult learner. So you could look at and choose a functional behavioral analysis, which in the field of special education is common practice as we look at behaviors. Also, another choice will be to create a system for monitoring student progress. So these are choices, and I again will give you more information as we head into class together. Towards the end of our semester, our final time, we will have a final exam, but this will be very much open ended and a way for you just to check your understanding from some of our wonderful work throughout the semester. I know we can express our learning in multiple fashions, and I do want to provide opportunities for you to do so. So, that is a summary of some of our assignments. I also like to have us look at our Canvas. So, I'm just going to bring up, and again, my hope is to streamline everything that you will need as we navigate our semester. So I have organized your Canvas with your major projects and main assignments all in one place with your due dates at the top. I know they may look extensive as of right now, but we will together break these up and work through these together. Our first in-person class will be taking place during the week of August 28th. Okay, so each module is very predictable. So you will provide annotations in how you learn best and through your readings. The latter part of our semester will focus on the Bateman text. Earlier, we'll be focusing on your Spinelli text. Okay, this is more for your online work. Now, I do have, and I will publish this as well, a section for materials and resources for our face-to-face and class sessions. As your instructor, I do like to provide multiple means of how we are learning. So I will be having activities and content varied in a different way each time we work together. I really like to practice what I preach and provide meaningful learning experiences for you. So I have a section here. So if I say during a class, for instance, I'd like you to open as a tool your Canvas platform, I'll have all of your materials for in classroom work under this location. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And I will review this again during our in class. So I hope